Hey guys, this is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. So today I'm gonna review a screen recorder called NCH screen recorder. So I'm just gonna visit NCH screen recorder and hit enter. There you go, this is the website for NCH screen recorder. So I'm just gonna click on this link over here and there you go, this is the website for NCH video capture and screen recorder software. So this is, as you can see, a offline screen recorder. So I'm just gonna click on download now. So I'm gonna download in my downloads and click save. All right, as you can see, the .exe file has been downloaded. I'm just gonna click on the .exe file to actually install the software. I'm gonna accept to the license agreements and it is installing right now. There you go, the recorder by NCH software has been downloaded. As you can see, there's plenty of features here. I'm just gonna expand this and I'm gonna show you what all features it has got. Alright, so there is a record button over here at the bottom, but we are not concerned with this right now. We also have a watermark video effect. We have a adjust color and apply the video effects to the screen recording. Also, we've got an option to edit the text which is being shown on the screen, and in case if you wanted to add a camera overlay, this is over here at the top left corner. So if you wanted to select the screen recording and the screen resolution, it's over here. So I'm gonna choose select the entire virtual desktop and I'm gonna just click on the camera overlay over here and see where the camera can be selected. Okay, I don't think that is possible, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the webcam here. There you can see this is my webcam. So the webcam recording has been included. All right, this is great, guys. Even there you can record webcam with MP4, different formats of video over here. This is fantastic, guys, and you can just click on the record right away, but I just wanted to figure out a way to actually record the screen as well as the camera. So I'm just gonna go over to the options over here and I'm gonna choose video options, and it's gonna just tell me how to resource my video resolution. I'm gonna cancel it. I'm gonna go home back again and I'm gonna choose select the virtual desktop and I'm gonna go here. As you can see, guys, there is no option to actually record the screen as well as the webcam, so that we could have a overlay of the webcam over here. That is a bummer, guys. So I'm gonna just quickly try and find out if there is an option to actually select the webcam along with the recording. I don't think there is an option to actually record the webcam as well as the screen. I'm gonna quickly hover over to the menu option here and hover over to the screen capture and capture whole desktop. There is no option to actually include a webcam with the screen capture, which is a bummer, guys. Being this NCH software and all, they could allow camera overlay with the screen. I think that this is curious, guys. If you just click on the camera overlay here, I'm just gonna click on enable here. Okay, this is an option to actually enable the camera overlay. So you have to just go over to the webcam and enable the webcam and then come over back to the camera overlay and then start recording, guys. So this is the way that we actually include a webcam feed in our actual screen recording. So actually I'm gonna resize this webcam feed. All right, this is fantastic, guys. I think this is okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna start recording the screen. So I'm just gonna click on the record button here and click on start recording. Yes, switch to fast capture mode, and it is a process. Take some time to actually load it. Awesome, great. The recording starts now, and as you can see, the recording has started and have the screen here, guys. I've chosen the entire recording field to be recorded over here, and I'm gonna quickly stop it. But how to stop it? I'm just gonna click on the icon once again and click on the stop button over here. So my recording has been recorded. Awesome, guys. So what do I do here to actually export the recording that I have here? I'm just gonna stop it once again. Then I'm gonna click on the file and actually manage recordings, and there you go. We've got one recording which is being titled as untitled here. I'm gonna double click here and I'm gonna that's now, and as you can see, the recording has started and have the screen here, guys. I've chosen the entire recording field to be recorded over here, and I'm gonna quickly stop it. But great, guys. So I'm just gonna click on save as here and click on video, and it lets me to store in my desktop. I'm gonna click on untitled video to be stored on my desktop. As you can see, there are options to actually burn my video to a DVD. Also, I can actually delete the videos. I can actually open these videos where it is located. I'm just gonna close here, and I'm gonna go back to my desktop to find the video here. I'm gonna check it out. That's now, and as you can see, the recording has started and have the screen here, guys. As you can see, the video has been recorded and output has been created right now, and it looks fantastic, guys. So I'm just gonna close this here. I'm gonna open up the website once again. Also, I'm gonna open up the actual video recorder here. So I'm just gonna look for some options, and we've got a lot of options recording the video, audio, hotkeys, mouse, snapshot options, and you can actually schedule the recording, and you got other options. So I'm gonna look at it one by one, but before that, I just wanted to tell you something. PepperCloud is the daily driver for me, guys. So I record all my videos with peppercloud.com, and it is a web application that allows you to record your screen and camera, and also allows to store it in the PepperCloud storage. So we can actually record our screen and camera, and you can actually share it to our social media. Also, we can actually stream this content over the social media, and also we could actually set up a thumbnail, and we can trim the video, we can edit the videos online before we actually post it to any social media. Also, you've got multiple options to actually set up your streaming videos before you actually get online. This is a pretty good feature, guys. I suggest you check PepperCloud out. So I've just included a link in the description, guys. Check it out. Alright, I'm back in the recorder here. I'm gonna check out the options. I'm gonna click on options over here. So here we've got the webcam options. We've got what should be the capture device, and in case you have a network camera, you can set it up here. And also you can actually set up which part of the screen should be captured. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on the audio options here, where as you can see, the audio options is right there, but also actually it's over here. So instead of going one by one, I can do it here all the time. So I can just set up an audio option, and I can choose microphone and speakers. I can also enable mouse clicks by just enabling it here, and pretty other and there are other sound record options as well. When you go to the output tab over here, we can select the output directory, and you can just give the names. And when you go over to the hotkeys section here, you can actually set up hotkeys for actually recording the screen. And when you go to the record options, there is a maximum time limit of 10 minutes, which can be edited and can be turned over to 20 minutes or so here. And also you can actually disable the preview where the recording is in screen capture. You could actually stop the preview. All right, so you can go to the cursor options and you can actually click on show mouse cursor, and there you could set up the mouse cursor options where you can just include the highlight option over here and select the colors of the mouse pointers and the highlighting area, which is great, guys. And over here in the snapshot section, you can actually use an output directory for the snapshots and where it should be actually saved. All right, then you go to the schedule option here. You can actually add a starting time and ending time for your screen recording to start and end, and you can just click on add, and automatically by default it starts recording your screen whenever you have scheduled the recording. So I'm just going to quickly cancel this. I'm going to go to the other options here. This is pretty basic, guys. You can just run debug when the computer starts. By debug they mean the debug by NCH software. This is basically a screen recorder, so don't get confused, guys. And also you can actually set up a lot of notifications where the screen capture is happening, where actually screen snapshots is happening. You always get a notification, so you can just enable it here, and I'm gonna just click on cancel. So it is just to show a way of the settings that is available in NCH software, which is pretty neat. So guys, this is all I have to say about NCH screen recording software. So I think I have covered enough for you guys to understand how this software works. So until I see you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care, you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.